There's some breaking news we can bring you this time from Taiwan, and we're hearing that a passenger plane with 58 people on board has crashed. It's plunged into a river outside of the capital, Taipei. 10 people are known to have been rescued, but it's thought that dozens are trapped inside. As I said, 58 people on board that plane. It is a TransAsia ATR 72-600 turboprop plane. It was a domestic flight, and it's thought that it hit a road bridge before ploughing into the river. That's according to reports. This all coming to us from the AFP news agencies. Rescuers trying to reach, of course, the trapped passengers, and we will, of course, bring you the latest on that just as soon as we hear the latest on those people apparently still trapped inside that plane.